Hello, I'm Nate. Today I will introduce you a vending machine with age verification. This is the Smart Fridge vending machine. It's carried near the screen. This is a scanner to scan the passport or ID card. The scanner will be installed near the card reader. With the scanner, we are able to tell the customer is over 18 or not. So the machine is suitable to sell like e-cigarette or wine, alcohol. The age verification feature can also be used in traditional vending machine. Let me show you how it works.
La verificación se realizó correctamente. Deslice su tarjeta para abrir la puerta dentro de los primeros 60 segundos.
After scan the ID card and to verify it's over 18, now we can take the credit card.
Bienvenido a puerta desbloqueada.
Now we can open the fridge. We grab what we want, close the fridge door, and the door will be locked and the money will be deducted from the card. If the ID card is below 18, it will show the verification fail and you will not be able to open. Customer will not be able to open the fridge. The third situation is if the customer didn't do the ID card scan and tap the credit card directly.
Identidad no verificada. Primero verifique su identidad.
Machine will remind the customer to do the identity verification first.